I will now show you how easy it is to set up a project with VibeSafely. Once you get access to the repo, you just clone it and open it up in your favorite IDE. With that, it's only one small command, VibeSafely create, to set up a new project that handles all of the integrations for you. Just give it a name, give your company a name, and then we set up Stripe so that you can get paid. So you can use the automated CLI tool that we built, and you just need to authenticate with it so that we can get access to your Stripe. So here I have a demo account for this purpose that I will allow access to. And this allows now the CLI to communicate with it so that we can set up our product. Next, we need the API keys. You will find that if you go to your Stripe dashboard, you find your secret key. So let's copy that with us over. And then we need the publishable key. And don't you worry, this information is only between you and Stripe and not going anywhere else. Then we can set up the type of model that we want. You can choose between freemium and a 2-tier model. So let's choose freemium, euros, and call it That's So Cheap. The premium tier we call Wow, So Many Features, and we charge 50 euros for it. This will now set up the product for you. And secondarily, we just need to set up the webhooks so we can actually listen to the events in Stripe. This also happens automatically in the background. If I now go back to Stripe, we'll be able to see the new product that we built. Wow, so many features. That is costing 50 euros. Now jumping back to the IDE, we get to the AI integration. Here, you can give in an open API key that gives you then direct access to all of the APIs for text, vision, and chat that we already built into the boilerplate. But let's skip that for now. We also had built in post-hog for product analytics so that you can understand what are users actually clicking on, how they're interacting with your product, and you can continue to improve it. Here, you also just need to give the project ID from your post-hog to be able to set it up. But let's also skip that for now. Then we just need to install all of the dependencies so that your project is up and running. Next, we will set up the database and caching. You could just go forward and using all of the default settings. But this will then just set one database and one cache in Docker for you so that this will be able to be used for your local development. If we now go to Docker, we will be able to see that we have now, in fact, a demo container running here that is containing both that database and cache. But that is literally everything that you need. We can now start the development server and it will be up and running in a few seconds. So that's all it takes to set up your SaaS. And the great thing is that you will actually see that the products that we built in Stripe are already set up for you in the pricing table. So we have the free model, the That's So Cheap product, and we also have the premium one that we called Wow, So Many Features for 50 euros is already set up for you. And we can also see that the Stripe integration is perfectly working. This is currently leading us to the Stripe checkout, ready to earn money. So that's really how easy it is. Once you're ready to actually deploy, we have built in a CLI that also has all of the information that you need. You simply put in the same command as before, VibeSafely deploy. And this will help you in the same way to set up your Vercel environment and deploy to Vercel. We also have a security scan that allows you to scan for vulnerabilities, such as security holes and such. So then there's really just one thing to do, and that is starting to build your product. You'll be able to find documentation for everything already in the project. This includes, for example, a lot of the different core features that are already built in, as well as the modules that includes, for example, analytics, billing, and GDPR. I hope you can build something really amazing with this product, and I'm really excited to see what you build.